In this video, you will be learning how you can make a homemade cake the African style. We will be using sand and our African coal pots to make it. It's a step-by-step tutorial for beginners. You will learn how to mix the cake batter with hand, no mixer, no oven, a simple cake the African way. But before we start, try our yummy puff puff recipe. Yummy Mildred, thanks for trying out our recipe. We so much appreciate it.
So today I'm going to make simple cake without oven. This is my flour, my 15 eggs, my 2 sachet of margarine, which is 250 gram, 1 tin of milk, vanilla, strawberry flavor, my sugar is half, and my soda. I'm going to measure 1.5 tablespoons. Okay, so there we go. You measure and you mix it with the flour. That's baking soda. We are creaming our sugar and our butter, margarine, together so it gets smooth. She's also scrambling the eggs. You have to use a very big bowl, so when you add your flour and everything here, it can get inside. Because I want to make it simple, I'm going to use some of the bubbles so that the sugar will melt very fast, because it's simple cake. To help the sugar melt very fast. I'm gonna scramble it again. So now we just put in our strawberry essence. The milk should be lasting in the mixture. I want 1 full milk. Can I help you? And now after we put in our flour, we mix the flour small, slowly. We mix everything together. Okay, this is what we are going to put our mixture, the cake mixture in this. You have to dust very well with the margarine so that your cake doesn't stick. You remember I told you are going to make simple cake without an oven. Okay. This is what is easier for me. I put it inside. How we are going to bake this without an oven. Okay, so as I promised, we are going to cake without an oven. This is our cook pot and our cooking pot. Inside this cooking pot, we have a sand in it. A sand. You have to heat the sand. If like you put this sand on fire, heat it at least 45 minutes for it to be very hot before you put the cake in it, so that the heat alone will help the cake to cook very well. So let's see. Hey, Debbie, I can't. Refi. How are you so done?
Papa, I will say marketing. Papa, we will copy too.
And yes, she ain't got any private club.
Rob,
Can you ever so can be?
no teeth mark on my camera. Rob, no teeth mark. Serious must be done. Action.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
And rubber. After that.